Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm sure you're going to find it very interesting because we are talking about the new sensation, online sensation, Temu or Temu, however you may call it. So what is Temu? In this video I'm going to show you and talk about my personal experience from Temu, and I'm going to show you all the makeup accessories that I bought from this online shopping app. इस वीडियो में ना तो कोई कपड़े हैं, ना हैंडबैग्स हैं, ना kitchen utensils hain, neither it's clothes. This is only for people who are makeup lovers or makeup enthusiasts, salon owners, or if you're a makeup artist, you may find this video interesting. So let's begin. What is Temu? So Temu is basically a Chinese shopping website just like AliExpress and Alibaba. However, why it is become very famous is because it directly ships from the manufacturer to the consumer. So basically there's no middleman. That's why the prices that they are offering are very cheap, because they can also let go of some of the taxes and stuff like that. So basically, we've compared to the other websites mentioned before. It's offering cheaper prices, great discounts and deals and coupons, free shipping at the moment, and also free returns up to 90 days. However, there are some cons also, and that includes that you have to have a minimum order. Right now, it's like around 2,800 rupees key requirement before you can order. There's a 2 to 3 weeks wait time. There's no cash on delivery, only debit or credit. And a concern is that it's also going to break the Pakistani local market. However, comparing it to other international websites, it is a better deal. Having said that, we should try to shop local whenever we can. I was also very curious like everybody else, and I thought, what is this thing? Because ads aa rahe the mere social media apps ke upar, or some of the things were like really inexpensive as compared to some of the other stuff I had bought. So I downloaded the app and I thought, okay, let's try it myself. So that's why, and because I'm really happy with all the stuff that I bought for exceptional prices, I thought I should make the video and share this with you guys as well. I wanted to make sure, because this was also my first shopping experience, I did not want to spend too much money, so I wanted to keep it under 10,000 rupees. And I bought a bunch of stuff. This is the same stuff that I bought from AliExpress, and I paid, I think, at least double to triple price for that, at least. So my shopping experience was very good. There were lots of vouchers and sales and reviews that they offered on the website that I could look at. So without further ado, let's see all the things that I bought from their last Friday Blessed sale. I ordered around 12 to 15 things, and they came in 2 packages like this. I received them within 2 weeks of my order, and they all came individually packed, nicely wrapped. So the first product that I'm showing here is this powder puff that comes in this plastic container. This is great for travel. Agar aapke paas loose powder hai, they usually come in big containers, so you can transfer a little bit and you can mix powders. Like I usually like to mix a banana powder or translucent powder, a shimmer powder, and I also customize them and give it to my high-paying bridal clients. Uske baad, I ordered a bunch of these lashes. They are all different types of lashes because I'm planning to do some lash tutorials as well. I will give links to all the products in the description box below if you guys are interested in checking them out. These are half-set lashes. These are my personal favorite for everyday use because they're very easy to put on, and as you can see in this picture, you can not even tell that I'm wearing any. So if you have a day event or a night event and you don't want to look like you're wearing a full set of lashes, these are my go-to lashes. These are a set of individual lashes or cluster lashes as we call them, jisko ek ek karke lagate hain. I will be doing a tutorial soon, so stay tuned. Here is another set of lashes which you can use for bridal makeup or smoky makeup. I actually used them on a bridal client this weekend, and they looked really, really nice on her eye shape and eye look. As a makeup artist, you need to have a couple of different lashes, some very thin ones. जैसे ये हैं wispy lashes इनको कहते हैं, they're a bit flared. Then these ones are more cat eye, they are longer and fuller at the ends and thinner in the inner corner. Another thing that I ordered is this silicone का retractable brush cleaning bowl, आप इसको कह लें, या इसमें आप पानी डाल के इसमें sponge भी use कर सकते हैं. Why I really like this is because एक तो इसके अंदर ridges होते हैं नीचे, जो it helps to break out the liquids and the creams from your brushes. You can clean it like this, you can dip your beauty blender in it, and it becomes flat. तो ये space कम लेता है आपकी makeup kit में, bendable है तो टूटता भी नहीं है. So ये एक और product मैंने order किया है. This is basically a plucker which grabs onto the lash, and especially for people who find it hard to put on lashes, it gives you a nice hold and grip. However, I was not very happy with the quality of this product. I guess in some cases you do really get what you pay for. So हर चीज़ excellent नहीं है. This is a big puff. As you can see, it's as big as my hand literally, and this comes in really handy when you have to powder large spaces like the neck, chest, arms and back areas. And just for fun, I also added this hairband to the list, which I thought I was going to use in one of my tutorials, as it helps to keep your hair back when you're applying makeup, क्योंकि foundation फिर आपके बालों में नहीं घुसती. I thought it was very cute. इसमें like rhinestones लगे हुए छोटे छोटे, and it looked actually kind of cute. What do you think? Do you like it? Next up, I have these eye makeup के लिए ये पेपर के sort of sticky notes आप इनको कह लें. ये they're really helpful to do heavy eye makeup. So when you're working on brides or when you're doing model makeup, even for yourself, if you do the foundation first, sometimes when you're doing dark eyeshadows, so fallout out there, so it helps to grab that and keeps your makeup neat. Just like that, I also have this sticky tape that I'm showing in this. So ये अगर आपने wing liner लगाना हो, it is you might have seen this on social media, a lot of makeup artists using something like this. I usually don't use it, लेकिन I thought I should try it out. वैसे masking tape भी आप use कर सकते हैं. It's not really a necessary product. Very excited to show you guys this ring palette. When you're working on professional clients, you want to keep all your surfaces hygienic. This is really nice for mixing lip colors, sometimes even eyeliners. Okay, one very useful product that I highly recommend is this earless pump के साथ ये bottle है, which has a pump in it, so you can carry your shampoos, foundations, any liquids basically, like they're showing in this video, which I got from Temu, by the way. तो इस तरह की काफ़ी interesting videos भी हैं that you can see. Make a decision about a certain product, whether you want to buy it or not. I bought it because I like to mix foundations and I like smaller sizes. This is very good because if you have 2-3 bottles like this, then I don't need to carry a lot of weight around with me all the time. I can mix and customize colors and carry with. I also ordered this bun, which is commonly used in hairstyling. इससे आप मॉडर्न हेयर स्टाइल्स भी बना सकते हैं और ट्रेडिशनल हेयर स्टाइल्स भी बना सकते हैं बन वाले. I also ordered these eyeliner brushes, although I didn't need them. I have really good quality Sephora and Real Techniques brushes, but I think I needed to add them because कोई voucher की deal थी, तो I'm not happy with these at all. I will probably be giving them away, and I do think brushes is something you should totally invest in, because a good quality brush is going to last you years and it really affects the final look of how your makeup turns out. And last but not the least, I ordered this color wheel chart as well, which is really useful in explaining, as I teach makeup as well for students as a handout. Color theory explain karne mein, how to mix colors for foundations and eye colors is really useful. The question is also, if the product that you're getting, is it authentic? Does it look like how it looks in the picture? जैसे अक्सर हमारे साथ दराज पे भी shopping experience होता है that some products are good but कुछ चीज़ें बिल्कुल ही बेकार होती हैं. So you want to make sure that you read the reviews from all the people, all the kind people who take out the time to fill out these reviews, because I know I don't. The best thing is that when you click on, there's an option where you can look at the photos. So this is what I did. I looked at the photos, I checked out a few, if they were consistent, if they looked exactly like the product that I could see as it was advertised, then I selected it, of course. And that's all from me today. If you found this video useful, then remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I publish a new video. And do leave some comments for me in the comment box. Let me know कि आपको ये video अच्छी लगी. Should I make a part 2 of this? Do you want another video on how to use these different lashes I bought for different looks? Do give me some feedback. I would love to hear from you. Until the next video, it's bye bye from me.